Hey guys, welcome to another video. Sorry I haven't uploaded in a while. I was just trying to get some schoolwork done and have time to do this for you guys. So I have here the Honor 8. I got this yesterday and I've already opened it prior to this video and set things up. So this is just a short review of the phone. So let's get right into this. Right, so this is the white version. I got the Chinese version and it took a while to set up because it went into this Huawei e-recovery thing and it didn't really let me, download a new update because I wasn't in China. So yeah, I'll leave a link to this phone in the description, an Amazon link, and to be an affiliate link, so this will help me bring more products to you guys. And yeah, okay, let's get right into this. So out here we don't see much. It shows what is there. So this is the FRD-AL10. As you can see, this is all in Chinese. It has 64 gigabytes of ROM, of internal storage. I mean, focus. 4 gigabytes of RAM. Yeah, so that's just, and it has a 3000 milliamp hour battery. So let's get into this phone. So this is a very unique way of unboxing. Honor has really thought about this. So this is how you just you open it. It slides out like this. Put that to one side, and you could either pull this out to reveal the other compartments, or just take the phone out and set it up from there. I'm just going to take this off. Okay, so to do is just slide the phone out. Yeah, this is what we're greeted with. The Honor 8. This is such a beautiful phone. So as you can see, it has this nice pattern here. That was cool. That looks nice. Yeah, so it has a fingerprint scanner at the back, dual camera. So dual is, I think, is 12 megapixel camera. I'll have to check that later on. As a single flash. Oh, freaking flies. Yeah, I'm outside, so flies will be everywhere. And it claims to have laser focus, so I don't really understand what that means. So it has a speaker grill, USB Type-C charger, so that's really good. And still retains the headphone jack. It has a single front-facing camera. I think that's 8 megapixels, not too sure. A speaker there, Honor branding, antenna bands. This is a hybrid SIM, or this is a hybrid SIM card slot, so you can either have 2 nano SIMs or a nano SIM and an SD card in there. So that's good. This is the power button, volume rockers. Yeah, this is a full HD screen, so it's not any like full HD plus or quad HD or all those HD stuff you see on Samsungs. So this is a 5.1 or 2 inch, 5.1 or 1 or 2 inch IPS LCD screen. Okay, so that's done about the phone. So this is the actual packaging here. So what's one thing I like about this is that it's like in compartments. So this is where you would find the charger. I don't have it in here now, but because I've taken it out before. It's a fast charger, I think 12 watts, so it gets you around 50% in 30 minutes. And in here it comes with a case too. I think it's a rubber case. So yeah, and some warranty stuff. Yes, it's a nice durable case. Okay, but I've already bought a new case for this. I don't really like that case. Right, so let's power the phone on and see what is in there. Sorry about the wind. It's I'm outside, so please expect that. You can see my nice hair in the reflection right there. Oh, yeah. Oh, wow. Yes, I've been growing my hair for around like 4 months now, 3 months now. I lost count. Yeah. Okay. So pin required. Let me just get this on. Okay. I'm in the phone. So as you can see, I'm already in. I've already downloaded some stuff in here, and from what you're seeing now, it's snappy. Gets the job done really quick. Okay, so let me go to settings and show you the type of what's literally in this phone to really. So this is taking a while. I don't know why. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so if I go to about phone, and it should tell me what is there. So this uses the in MUI 5.0. Like I said, I've tried to update it, but it didn't work, and I had to download the Chinese firmware for this. So yeah, I use Android 7. CPU is the Kirin 950 CPU. Sorry if you cannot see the phone screen, it's a little bit too bright out here. I think I should start recording my videos inside, but when I get a lighting system in my room. Okay, so it has 4 GB of RAM, 64 GB of storage, and I've already used some of that, and there's 44 GB remaining from downloading several apps and stuff like that. Yeah, so there's not much to show this part. Yeah, and the fingerprint scanner works really well. Let me just give you a short show. Yeah, so it's like almost instantaneous, and Honor are known for their really fast fingerprint scanners. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you the camera. It has pro mode. Ooh, yeah, as you can see, that's me there. Oh, if you can see. So it has pro mode, beauty mode, all those modes. And with the dual camera, you can do a lot. It has light painting, night shot, HDR, pro video, pro photo, beauty mode, beauty video, panorama, slow motion, time lapse, good food, all the good stuff really. So let me check. Yeah, it's a 12 megapixel dual camera setup at the back, and let me check the front. Yeah, 8 megapixels, so I was right. Yay! Okay, so yeah, I'm going to go inside and do a game test, maybe, of this phone, because you can't really see the screen well out here. Yeah, but one thing I don't really like about this phone is that the screen is not bright. It's not as bright as you would expect. As you can see, you can hardly see when there's sunlight on the screen, so that's not really that good, and it doesn't get really bright compared to, say, for example, the Samsung S5 or most Samsung phones and the S7. So you can, yeah, and some of the Huawei phones. So if you're going to get this phone, just don't expect it to be really bright out on the sunshine. And yeah, so I'm gonna go inside and do a game recording of this. Okay, so I'm back inside now, and hopefully you can see the phone better. Yeah, so let me do that finger test again. So yeah, so that's really fast. So indoors you can see the phone pretty well. Right, I'm just gonna move my keyboard out of the way. You can see the phone screen very well. It's a nice screen, I would say. I have no complaints about that. Camera, it's nice. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh yeah, okay. All the girls really like that. Yeah, so I'm just gonna put this hard disk drive here and do a nice photo test of it. Boop. Yeah, so let's get that up. Yeah, so that's a really nice camera. It may not be well represented here, but it's close enough. Yeah, so let's do a game test now. So it loads fast for games, and yeah. Come on, quick. I am literally running out of 1 second. And so I'm gonna pause this and set the game up and come back. Okay, so I'm back now, and well, because of the single downfiring speaker, you can easily cover it up, and yeah, so I'm gonna hold it there just in case this song is copyright, stuff like that. So I'm just being very cautious here. We don't want anyone claiming my video, do we? So I'm gonna mute that. Okay. So this is Asphalt 9. It's a really demanding game for Android, not Android device, mobile phones. So yeah, let's just shut up and play this. So as you can see, it's you know, looks good, performs well. It's nice. It's very playable, I would say. Very responsive. Jeez, I'm having to shout. Okay, so it's really loud. Yeah, it's really loud. So for all of you Asphalt 8 players, Asphalt 9 players, I just missed the ramp. So don't start beefing at me. Yeah. So yeah, okay, that's enough. Yeah, okay. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like. I'll be doing a speed test of this phone and the Samsung S5 because those are the only two phones I have that I can actually do a speed test on. Okay, so if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe, and if you didn't like this video, then dislike and tell me what you didn't like about it, and the link to this phone will be in the description if you're interested, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.